This video is completely about riding gears. And if you are not a motorcycle enthusiast, or if riding gears is not your cup of tea, then you can stop the video over here and continue doing your work. Else, if you want to know more about the riding gears information, then please go ahead. ஷாக் அப்சர்வர் ஒரு மோட்டார் சைக்கிளுக்கு எவ்வளோ முக்கியமோ அதே அளவுக்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற ரைடிங் கியர்ஸில் இருக்கிற ஆர்மர்ஸ் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ரைடிங் கியர்ஸ் ஓகே, அது என்னடா ஆர்மர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு தானே கேட்குறீங்க. தீஸ் ஆர்மர்ஸ் ஆர் நத்திங் பட் உங்கள் ரைடிங் கியர்ஸ் உள்ள இருக்கிற chest, knees, shoulder and back protector guards. Mostly these armors will be of yellow and orange colors. In all these armors you could see a CE rating, which stands for European Conformity, and it comes under European Motorcycle Safety Standards. All these riding gears have two main standards. One is CE, which comes under European Safety Standards, and the other one is DOT, Department of Transportation, which is nothing but the US Department of Transportation Safety Standards. The CE certified motorcycle gears undergoes various and more safety measures than that of the DOT approved gears. So, to put it in a nutshell, the CE rated and certified motorcycle gears are much more better than the DOT approved ones. There are two levels in this CE, level 1 and level 2. So, which is better? That's your question, right? Always CE level 2 armors are better than the CE level 1 armors. On a technical note, the CE level 1 armors can have a maximum transmitted force of 18 kilonewtons, whereas the CE level 2 armors can have a maximum transmitted force of 9 kilonewtons. This means that the CE level 2 armors will transmit a lesser force than the CE level 1 armors. In most of the motorcycling racing tracks, you are absolutely fine to enter the tracks with CE level 1 armors. However, depending on the tracks with more advanced and high speed turns, they might require the CE level 2 armors. So when it comes to the armors, there are two major players in the market. One is D3O and the other is knox. And my dear friends, and this is called D3O and not D30. Please take it from me, because I've seen so many people pronouncing this as D30 and not as D3O. So please correct it if you are wrong. And again, when you compare between D3O and knox, always the D3O tops the race. And this D3O is the number one choice in the market, and it delivers an outstanding impact protection, comfort and flexibility. We recently visited a showroom in Bangalore, namely 6,000 miles to Isle of Man. The interesting part of this showroom is they have a demo kit or a testing kit to know about the impact protection of the D3O armors, and this is what the testing kit looks like. On one end you have the standard EVA foam, and on the other end you have this D3O shock absorbing material, and all you need to do is just spin and observe the ball which is inside it. As you could see in these above visuals, the D3O shock absorbing material absorbs a higher impact than the standard EVA foam material. And here you could see the D3O back armor, which is CE level 1, and here you have the level 1 and level 2 D3O back armors. Both are like super flexible and it is weightless. And this is the Knox back armor, which is of CE level 1. This is my old riding jacket, where you could see the back armor is made of normal foam material, and this is very hard to bend and this is not flexible. Now take a look at my recently bought riding jacket, which is of D3O CE level 2 armors, and these armors are very flexible when compared to that of my old riding jacket. On a lighter note, the CE level 2 armors are slightly expensive than the CE level 1 armors. The price difference might range between 500 to 1500. Whether to choose the CE level 1 or the CE level 2 riding armor, the choice is always yours. And please remember, safety is not expensive, it is priceless. So that's all from PrayanaPaithyam. Happy and safe traveling, everyone. Thank you.